The UK market is in a very strange place at the moment. Manufacturers are facing continued strain within their area. sedApta UK looks after the market for our key areas. It will be anything to do with manufacturing, automotive, life sciences, food and beverage, in that side of the equation.
sedApta Osis est une société française présente sur le marché de l'industrie depuis de nombreuses années. Ce qui nous caractérise, c'est ce goût et cette passion pour l'industrie. Notre cœur de marché, c'est l'industrie intermédiaire, les sociétés, les ETI. Et aujourd'hui, nous sommes présents à travers des clients comme Lacoste dans le fashion, des clients comme Saveol ou Alto Breads dans le food. On a aussi de nombreux clients dans l'industrie automobile tels que Bontaz.
We have about 40 employees in the German organization in 2 locations, in Chemnitz as well as in close to Frankfurt in the Rhine-Main area, doing sales, pre-sales, consulting activities, implementations, after-sales support, all the complete life cycle of projects as well for our customers. To give you one example, ThyssenKrupp steering, for instance, we did the complete demand planning as well as the long-term planning based on materials, equipment, resources in terms of machining resources, in terms of plants, also in terms of personal resources. We do also a lot of activities, for instance, in life science. Typical pharmaceutical production, biotechnology, cell therapies. We work a lot in food and beverage, fashion and textile industry.
Ce qui nous caractérise sur ce marché, c'est qu'on a une approche innovante, demand-driven manufacturing.
Our core competencies are making sure that as a business we actually help our customers partner with sedApta to become a lean, manufacturing, demand-driven enterprise.
L'ADN de sedApta, c'est l'innovation. On innove constamment. Aujourd'hui, on intègre les dernières technologies.
The latest additions to sedApta's suite are only going to strengthen the performance of where we can actually take the product.
We are a modern company. We work with financial planning, artificial intelligence, but only then if they help our customers.
L'IA offre beaucoup d'avantages et de skills à nos utilisateurs. On peut faire de la maintenance prédictive, on peut valider des modèles mathématiques en prévision de vente. Associé à cette IA, on va pouvoir aujourd'hui mettre notre module de TMS, donc tout ce qui est gestion du transport.
When we start to look at the S&OP side and the MOM side, taking it down to even more detailed levels of whether or not it's financial planning for manufacturing through transportation management.
Ça, c'est un avantage majeur pour nos clients.
These are only things that are going to add to the strength of the solution and to bring us better to the market.
Working together means also we strengthen our knowledge, we strengthen our position, because in a different market we have different experiences. We work with different customers, we have different competencies, and bringing this back into marketing is very essential.
Ces retours d'expérience permettent d'alimenter des expériences avec nos collègues, que ce soit en Angleterre, que ce soit en Allemagne ou autre.
Now each country is going to have its different market and their different competition, but the brand itself is consistent across the company, enabling us to get better visibility between each country with the same message and the same communication strength.
There is a close coordination between all the departments, all the people, all the actors involved in the process.
So manufacturing in the UK has always been a bit fragmented in the marketplace with regards. A lot of organisations would have S&OP but have very, very little visibility of what actually happens in manufacturing. sedApta is changing that market.
Elle permet de répondre aux aléas du quotidien, qui sont nombreux, on le voit depuis le Covid, et elle permet d'associer la stratégie à l'opérationnel. Et par notre approche demand-driven manufacturing, ce qu'on offre à nos clients aujourd'hui, c'est de pouvoir en temps réel avoir une approche en fonction des changements de variation fortes et avoir justement un pilotage très opérationnel et cohérent par rapport à l'environnement économique.
We can integrate all the processes. This is a big advantage against most of our market competitors.
In the fact that we are now in the position where we can offer our customers the capability of looking at S&OP and the manufacturing operational management as one solution, More importantly, this is happening in one database. So it gives one version of the truth and gives a full holistic approach to how manufacturing is done within the business.